Hola. This is your boy Optimist Music ZA, all the way from PTA Mamelodi East SNS. Ngadla kamanginsela isesheshe sendoda wathi bamnikeza papalishisa wathi ulufuna libanda ngoba libanda liqinile. This is FYP Unfiltered. Scrolling through the moments, every story got a meaning. Going from the comments to who is optimist when the cameras are off? Optimist is optimist, man. Whether the cameras are off, whether the cameras are on, I'm talking about. One thing I can say is when the cameras are off, optimist angaze bambona bubbly, optimist was strict kakhulu, yangithola. Lights, camera, action. Everybody got a caption. What's the truth? Okay, what was my favorite memory when I was growing up? When I first decided that I'm gonna join a school choir, yeah, and I remember this other friend of mine, Usakile, said, "Enjam skipano, why you made that ufuna ukucula?" Athi ya, atazwakala, ngena ungasabi, and I thought I had to audition, yeah, and yeah.
All right.
No fake energy, no acting for the views, only honest conversation. The quiet kid, the troublemaker, or the popular one. Now I was a quiet kid, but popular at school. Because I knew how to sing, and yeah. What's one lesson from home that still guides me till today? It's like ungabusela ububi ngobubi. Yeah, I don't know how to put it in English, but yeah. If my childhood had a soundtrack, which track would it be? That is a tough one. I never got this question before, but okay, but I think it's my Figizolo song. All my Figizolo songs, man. Yeah, you can choose any. Because those are one of the songs. Once I hear my Figizolo song, it reminds me of when I was young. You understand? Yeah. It's that song. Weputi mina hamba nawe. It was December. And baba. Yeah. It defines me. I'm optimistic about the future. Okay, why the name Optimist? Excuse me. Why the name Optimist? Because it defines me, man. I'm optimistic about the future. And I believe in positivity, and I'm positive, And what else can I say? Yeah, it defines me. I'm optimistic, man. What can I say? It's who I am. If I say I want something, I'm a go-getter. If I know it's gonna happen, it's gonna happen. I hate thinking about the negative. I hate leaving a room for disappointment. There's disappointment, even though I know that I have to. It's a tough one, because now I enjoy, let me say I love being delusional, especially if it's something that's going to benefit my career and my craft. And let's say maybe it's something big and I'm not sure if it's going to happen. But in my mind, I see myself there doing it already. I'm not asking myself, how is it going to happen? Where? The only thing that I'm thinking about is me there fetching that Grammy. From the hustle to the headlines, every journey got a lesson. Just letting people play on top of my head, bro. That's a sacrifice also. Because man, like, it's hard, bro. Kule industry leti ngikhulume nangisiZulu ukuthi bangizwe kahle bonke abafethu, like kule industry lekunzima nje yami. Like bazodlala phezulu ekhanda lakho, but then when I just keep on going and doing it, uyofika. Angithi uyofika, mara into kufanele uyazi ukuthi akusilula baba. Uyangithola, uyithole lula nje i-maintenance ukuthi i-maintain nje phela nje ihlala i-career ihlala at stake uyangifrustana, especially ba uyithole early, because it's rare ukuthi uthole umuntu ayithole early and then aziyo ukuthi kwenzakalani. Uyangifrustana, aziyo ukuthi kwamela nyathele ephanga nyathele uphi. Uyangifrustana, aziyo ukuthi what it takes to be a superstar. Uyangifrustana, because anybody can call you a superstar because of making a lot of hits, but then there's what it takes to be a superstar. So now you sacrificing ukuthi, okay, I'm gonna let people play on top of my head, especially if so uzithole kule situation leso yangithola, and most of the times it's things you cannot control. Then just keep on doing what you're doing and wait for your time. 0-0 nje ngisho beyinemali yasemsebenzini yokugibela like kuma 150. What are you talking about? Okay, first, like the whether I'm featured or
just you know.
Yeah, le featured le bazi abantu bangaze ngayivele lapho bengisebenza njalo.
From the comments to the dreams that they believe in, trending every second but the vision never changes. Real
Yo, call center nje yo shopping sizile yona ne. Because ngikwazi ukufunda isiXhosa like through call center yangithola. Bona beka no yangispanela yabo, but call center it's not child's play. But I feel like it teaches you life, you know. I feel like call center nje as a whole mentally call center nje. My worst scenario working at a call center, it was when like let me it's a maning dog. My worst scenario, dog. You know, this one is very, 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 very painful because now there's gonna board lapha yangithola show you ukuthi, okay, these are the sales that you made for the month, and then let's say kule building leyo kuyo kunesebenzi maybe esiboma 50-100 uyangithola nabantomazana abahle nje abanye uyabafuna, omunye uyamfuna uyangithola nje like abanye nanomunye abafuni mara ufuna bakudelele. Guess what? They know ukuthi uyothola mali in month end. They know ukuthi uyothola 700, 800 or 3.5. I don't know how angazi abantu bafila njani ngaleyo ndaba, but me, that was my worst scenario, bro. Imagine. Yeah, and nofana nesikolo like call center nje, like nofana nesikolo. Like the results are there ukuthi nang lo akana mali, like lo akana mali, like bawungana mali, like call center unemali bayamazi yangithola, like it's obvious vele ukuthi okay nalo ukuthi uyazi ukuthi eshi ngakhuluma kanje, nalo ukuthi uyazi ukuthi akasi ma good looking cheese boy uyangifrustana, mara yena uyabulala kuma sales, like uyashaya, uyaphuma nge-60, uyaphuma nge-40. Cabanga kunomuntu ohola boma 80,000, wena uyakwazi ukuphuma nge-850 dog, and umuntu lo uyanisebenza into e-1. Cabanga mentally ukuthi into le yenzani. The best studio session that I've ever had. The best studio session that I've ever had, we were in Cape Town. It was last year. I was with Maverick and El Chapo. We were cooking and making music. El Chapo was ashkarating a beat there. And then sharp, very high. You see me, I'm one person. If like nyazi ukuthi uyabulala uyashisa uyangifrustana, ingoma kwamele uwe ukuthi uyasleader uyangifrustana, yeah, ukuthi ngikwazi ukuba number 2 uyangifrustana, yeah, ngikwazi ukuleader, ngikwazi ukuleadiwa futhi uyangifrustana. So that day ihonja yami bengidemotivated angifrustana nje ukuthi like bengicabanga izinto ezibhaya like nginospana nje phela because okay sharp kuyaspanwa and then ngijabulela ukuthi kunama-cheat and then ziyahephena uyangifrustana ziyakhipha uphethwe isinokonoko uyangifrustana izinto nje baziphethe hit nami ngiphethe hit angisho I'm in the card uyangifrustana uyangifrustana like ziyakhipha jabulile nje makuyanyiwa siyakhukha hayi jo uBenzo acule man ashaye lento le yasizwa ngesigubhu sayijukuja oza sizashaya ngesixhosa vele yabo no man mina inconda mayisi lapho man ayinconda mayisi lapho sharp eshangisha okay sharp mavri baqeda ukungena nyongena sharp ngimele ukuthi angene lapha baqeda ukurecorda aze kimi athi yabona yayizwa ukuthi yayizwa manje sile yayizwa manje le wave le ukuthi athi yayizwa manje yeah asambe ngidayo ngawahara ngiphethe sikhaleso ne angazi ukuthi ngiyothini mara senginothini ngiyazi ukuthi always mina me I have this one thing ukuthi like indlela yami ukumanifesta ukuthi nje ama-verse ami abe the best and then ngithole ukuthi angazi nyo yenzani but whatever le nyo yenza la yohamba uyangifrustana ngihlale phansi ngibhala ngisabhala that time before ngitshela uyangifrustana ngisabhala ngihlale phansi ngibhala ngiyayuza andizwa ngibhande lo le key it's new game uyangifrustana because me I'm one person ukuthi ngiphila ngithanda uku-experiment uyangifrustana so le key it's new ngiyazibuza ukuthi okay ngiyakwazi ukuyicula lento le ngizokwazi ukuyenza na because ngi-understand ukuthi ngiyenzani la ngazi ukuthi ngiyacula or ngiyakhuluma na uyangifrustana ngithi okay sharp ithi ngirecord bangiceda ukuyirekhoda phume igezela mafrikaze ke imatecho naye lapha nengathi bekaceda ukuzwa lapha because baqeda ukurecorda vele uhlezi lapha phansi sofeni baqeda asukuma aza ke makhipha ifoni yakhe ngikhomba njami yabona ukuthi ngiyenzeni ngishuta ama video a4 ngiposte ku TikTok ngishuta ama video a4 ngiposte ku Instagram njayam shama video uposte wenza music omnandi yangifrustana me I'm thinking ukuthi esho ukuthi verse lengishayile yangifrustana umntwana nyaka ngitshela amagama lawo yangithola ne no from lapho vele that's why I'm saying it was my best studio session because it changed my life yangifrustana yeah a lot happened nginotice uyangithola yeah mina no El Chapo okay how did me and El Chapo actually meet I met El Chapo through Dino. Yeah, bekufana ukuthi say the time French kiss isa shy nelo. Yeah, French kiss ne possible iceda ukuphuma. Yabo. Avele kuyahlanywa vele. Dino yaza bafana ukuthi siyo record eMzansi what. Yangithola siyo siyo performer la. Uza ne project abo atu abayitsi bafana ona rona bafana nyana babangwa byana ke ba utluleng kenya go utlisa bona afake enye ingoma nyana tselilelala icula usinena tselilelala tselilelala yo ngithabo bani laba manje ngithobani lo yo yeah ishukuthi sisazobuya ke we have a long way to go because manje le talent eliningi yangifrustana shaphumeta khamba malanga a few weeks or a few days after angibamba kenya rejik mo Centurion ave Centurion noma khanje uyafika vele right space in la angithola ujabo vele ay siyaspana yeah siyaspana then sahlangana futhi ecampini and then from there vele sayisusa lapho vele kuthi okay jo hayi wabulela angazi click kanjani mara siklikile nje man like uyangithola understanding. When did I realize that this guy is different, El Chapo? Like the way he made me feel, the way his music made me feel. Whenever I was with him, like I felt like whenever I'm working with El Chapo, I felt like, yo, Baba, let's answer everything. Let's answer anything. Like, we're always experimenting, like, and this is, basis chelele into ukuthi, silwela ukwenza into different. You understand? Like, every time siyenza ingoma, silwela ukwenza into different. Uyangithola? Ila ngibone khona ukuthi okay sharp le liyayicabangi the way abantu abanye bacabanga ngakhona. Uyangithola? And why always bangisipana na ngifila ngathi ngiyahlanya, ngithanda ukuhlanya mina, ngiyangithola, like angithanda angizwani nokuba cool yabo, like ubuchis boy ngithanda ukuhlanya nje yami. So yeah, ngiyahlanyiwe isigubhu, si unique, angisunderstand ukuthi kuyenzakalani, ngizwe uMexican ukuthi nje yeah, into engenza ukuthi realize ukuthi untwana different. West Experience music industry. Yo, West Experience. Yo, West Experience uqeda ukuperform afana ukuthi uwile no Shable event basic as ne mara afana ukuthi uyele ekhaya ngenyawo uqeda ukuperform like as an artist. Swele ekhaya ngenyawo abachita C3 swele ekhaya from the village to ekhaya sinjami siceda ukuperform wacabanga umuntu ase crowding bekangibhekile ngiperform impossible ngangidlula neskipa. Asho optimist ngizabaya kama auto jo C3 nje yami. Uyayicabanga mara siyahamba nje yami sibambile sila emaseko wesiphathi nje yami yo abanye badlula ngama-van obvious like bayonibona nje yami yo angazi ba-understand njani or mhlambe nawe bangazingeni or akithi mara singenile nje yami and nge-outline hayi ngama-line we-artist unama-hit ayi-2 yayicabanga awasimaningi mara jo kogigingi kamauto utlhakom yeah uthe West Experience. Bro, I've been doing amapiano for like 6 years. Yeah, since ngithole hit lam lokuqala like 6 years ago. With mina bangazi abanye abantu bangena first hit lakhe so maka like ungasikudala umuntu sekane apartment sekane indlu sekane imoto uyangithola ne. Yeah, me I'm not one of those dog. Like mina ngibe humiliated ngaba embarrassed like ngaba like yo nje yami ngathi bangibekele la bangisalisa ngamapona bathi umhlaba wonke ngibheke before ngizocala ukuthi ngiwine. Understand? Yeah. Yo, abantu laba siya way of next yazi ngcono ngiqale phansi ngizibize zonke. If French kiss possible nan foot ayisheka Lera Tyler, ilotho ikhuma ilotho, yo ziningi nje yeah maka not kanjalo yeah. It's okay wathini egoli ewe and Sansokodisa yo wayijakalas yo njayam yo ya mangifuna ukubiza zama ngisho lezi nguzo hayi lezi zokhishwa yimi yo amagama ngwazi izinyaze kapha ngiphiwa ngamagama like yeah sipha nje angazi kunikeza ingaki 5 yeah I gave you 5 yeah. Piano okay sharp ngikhulume I think ngikhulume ngelo ngama artist ngiyangifrustration ngathi ingoma per se ngicale like abantu babe ne impact ukuthi balethe istyle as influential uyangithola nayo I change leyo uyangithola yeah uyangstana uScott Maphumana no uthe 3 no limit. Okay, one must go with your chap angiphenduli leyo angiyenzi. One song that I never got payment from. Impossible. It makes me happy, man, because ngabe ngitholile imali leyo benyike ngikwade and then ngilwele pushing feel angikhona yangithola. Yeah. Songs people that don't know that I've written. Ivesi laka Musa Keys lapha kuyibathini le ngoma le ano Davido lapha I unavailable nani nenye ngoma ephumile lapha no Davido no TXC lapha ekuqaleni sengikhohle ukuthini ichicken bayibizana le ngoma le yamara yebo bathi bazothini mntakwethu bazothini yaqaleni lapho ya niyangizwa nami lapho ukuthini. And then enye ithini enye yipi ya ni shake nayo ya ivesi laka Tyler ngilibhalile yeah. Like phuma ekasi like yo phuma ekasi into ifunayo awuyithola la ukhona ufana ukuthi phume kwi-comfort zone yakho. Once uqala feel comfortable, once you start feeling comfortable, just know that you're not doing anything. You understand? Once you start feeling comfortable, just know that you're in trouble. Yeah, ngayibona enye video la trend ithi the warmer the blankets, the colder the future, and people didn't understand it. Kuma comments, I didn't get the comment that I was looking for. That's it. It's like that, bro. Yeah, once you're comfortable, then just keep. Uzobona now, won't you? I can't like akunakuthi ngayidisclosure leyo nje mina ngiphume eMamelodi ngikho mix up ngifrostan a mix up SNS la ukuthi kukhulunywa yonke into ngikhuluma iSpitori ngifrostan yeah ngakuthi ngayivala ngasho ukuthi bafowethu yimi ke lo ke ingadla kaManginselo wathi bamnikeza ibabhalishisa wathi ulifuna libanda ngoba libanda liqinile zokuyenza siqhubekise sipha ku unfiltered FYP andazi banibe kahle noba vice versa but yona ndichilo. Amen.
Lights, camera, action. Everybody got a caption. What's the truth behind the screen? Tonight we ask the questions. Yeah.
Welcome to the hit by where real ones never hide. Unfiltered conversations, let the truth decide. Every story, every moment, every laugh, every fight. Welcome to FIP Unfiltered, where the culture comes alive.
From the hustle to the headlines, every journey got a lesson. Every setback turned into another blessing. Dreams getting bigger, every season we're evolving. Talking about the wins and the problems we've been solving. No fake energy, no acting for the views. Only honest conversations and perspectives you can use. Different voices, one culture, bringing people to the table. Changing how we tell the stories, proving anything is possible. Yeah.
No edits, no masks, no limits, just us. Real people, real stories,
real culture. Yeah.
Welcome to the here where the real ones never hide. Unfiltered conversations, let the truth decide. Every story, every moment, every voice, every fight. Welcome to FIP Unfiltered, where the future comes alive.
One conversation can change everything.